Hello, Professor. My name is Nikunj Thakur, and today I'm going to record in this video to explain my midterm test, which is Express API with full CRUD operations. So here's my student ID and the course. Let me show you my code. So this is the midterm test with full CRUD API. This is the all code, and I'm going to provide you the GitHub link in Blackboard. So this is my config file in which I have added app.ts, in which I have added necessary import mongoose file and database which can be retrieve the data from the mongoose, and here's the database connection and use the API for connection. And for database I created a db.ts in which it retrieve the string from the .env file, which going to retrieve this one. So this is my Mongo URI which going to retrieve the data from database. So this is the secure API in which I use the .git ignore to ignore this file to go into uh, GitHub. So this is my controller to use for, and I created models for books. So here, as for my last number in the student ID is 4, so I created for a book list in which I am going to add the book using the book ID, title, author, genre, and this is the all the schema that I have created for the book. And this here I create a variable at the book and export as a book, and which I'm going to use in the controller. So here I have created all the functions to display the book list, book with the id, and add book, and update book and delete function as well. And I added all the roots in my roots file. Here you can see, and in utils file to sanitize array and to do trim the unnecessary space, I use the dot trim. So this is all for my project, and I'm going to show you. This is my render API, and this is my GitHub link, and in which in MongoDB I have added all the 12 book list. So I'm going to show you. Uh, this is my API which shows all the book list of the 12 books. So let me use the Postman to show you the book list. So if I file with API, it will send. Now it's sending the request to API, and this is the live on the clouds web service. I'm going to retrieve the data from it, and it is I have sending the request. So here is the book retrieved. Now I'm going to add the one book. Here I already added as a book 13, but as a copy of the book now ID 12. So if I add this one using the post method, send. So new book added as a 13. If I refresh this one, it's going to show me the 13 number book. Here you can see. If I use this one to find my ID, so the I can find book by ID. So this is the last that I use and man copy, and for that I'm going to update this book with this one. And if I put this one as a 13 and I created invisible man updated copy, if I just send this one, it shows this update is successfully. By here you can check that is updated with invisible man updated copy in, and now I can delete with this one. If I send this one, it delete the book list from the list. So you can see all of record operation is successfully working. Thank you, professor, for this opportunity.